Anthony, please explain what happened with the seagulls. They attacked you, and then what?
I was screaming like a baby girl.
I ran for my life.
Said, oh Lord Jesus is the best.
I ran, no losing nothing. Jesus, I ran for my life. I got bronchitis. Everybody got down with that.
Said, oh Lord Jesus is the bird.
It's a bird. What did you think, Maurice?
I was there.
What did you think, Stevie? Aunt, what were you thinking?
Oh, Jesus, there's a bird.
You just wanted your sandwich.
I also thought that it was guys to drop the sandwich. And I could have the other half.
Yeah, you hung on. That was good. You didn't let go.
Don't ever let a bird take the food. Kill the bird first. Snap the bird's neck.
Ah!
Snap its neck.
You said it, brother.
Or you feed the bird the sandwich, then you kill the bird and eat the bird.
Ah!